What is up guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL back again with another video. And what I'm doing this time around is I'm going to clear something up guys, okay? I've done this video before, okay? Ford Fiesta 2010, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace the door mirror, the wing mirror, that is, okay? I've done it before, okay, but I'm going to clear things up because on the video I've got people complaining, saying that how do you feed the wire through, okay? It's a bit of common sense, okay, dead easy. I'm going to show you this time around how to feed the wire through as well. Okay, so let's do it, let's go. Alright, strictly speaking, you don't have to take the door card off, the door panel off. You don't have to take that off, right? If you want to do it the cheaper way and not the right way, okay? The thing is, can you see that 13mm nut? Take that off, door mirror will pull out. You can chop the wires, refit it, connect the wires up and everything. It should be okay. But the thing is, you don't, it's not the proper way to do it, okay? The reason why we have to take the door panel off is only for one reason, because the wiring loom goes through there, goes there, and it's about here, okay? The connector's about here, so we need to take this door panel off. I mean, it's not that hard to take it off anyway, so let's do it. Okay, to take this door card off, and not the hardest thing in the world, okay? We've got a little plug there. Took that plug off, that cover off, and we've got a little Torx 25 there, or a 20. Take that off. We have to take this off, which I've already started taking it off, half of it. If you get the door card removal tools, it'll be a lot easier, but you know, we're rough, right? We're gonna do it with the flat screwdriver. So basically that comes off. Okay, that's it, that comes off, and we've got a little Torx there, 25. Just focus. Another one in there. Okay, take them two off. Take that one off, and all you have to do is just give it a little tug, little pull. That panel should come off, and we'll go from there. Right, we've got that screw off. That one's off, and that one's off. Torx 25, and I think that's the Torx 20. Oh, I think they're all Torx 25. And all we do now, there we go, give it a pull. So we pull it, lift it up. Happy days, that comes off. You don't need to take the panel off totally, like I mentioned in my other video. Just leave it hanging like that, dangling out like that. That'll do. There's the plug that we're after, the culprit. I mean, just because of that, we need to take the door card off. So anyway, it's there. All we do is just push it on the clip here. That comes off. Okay, this rubber grommet here. Push that through. Right, so that's all freestyling now, okay? So what we're going to do is, there's nothing really to it, okay? I'm going to make this clear to you guys. I'm going to push that through there, okay, and leave it there. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and take that nut off, okay? Right, let's do it. You see, last time I did this, I had my man Phil here holding the door mirror on the other side. So I have to hold it and take the nut off at the same time as well. So holding the door mirror and take it off. Rest in peace, Phil. He's not with us anymore. Rest in peace, Phil. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take that nut off. In there, that nut, get the socket and a ratchet, 13mm socket and a ratchet extension, and all you do is just take that off. So I'm going to go ahead and take that nut off totally, okay? Let's do that. Right, nut is totally off, as you can see there. All off, okay? Right, all I've done with the wiring plug, as you guys have seen it before, I just took it off and just put it through there, okay? I didn't do anything fancy to take it through or anything. All I'm going to do now is go around the other side and maneuver this a little bit. So all I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of, there we go. And there's the wire, okay? So just pull it. It's going to be a little bit of a struggle. Pull it, there we go. Do you see? I didn't do anything, guys. I didn't do nothing. So there's the rubber grommet. Pull that through there. Done. Happy days. That's the way you take it off. Right, there's the new one, right, there's the new one, okay, the replacement one. It's not original, I've got it off eBay kind of thing, but it will do the job, okay. Make sure the plugs are the same. Okay, this one and this one. To feed it through, it's not hard, guys. The way we took it out, exactly the same way. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to try to show you guys. Alright, so there we have it. Goes in there that way. Put the grommet in as well. push that through. Boom, there we go, that's in. So I've fed that through there, okay? I didn't do anything, nothing special. Fed that through, all you do is just put that there. Okay, if you want to, just put the nut on just to be safe so it doesn't fall over, unless you've got somebody to hold it on this side, okay? I'm gonna get somebody to hold it for me. So now that I've got my brother to hold the door mirror, the wing mirror, wire went straight in there, okay? And all I've done is, it goes through here, there's a little, like a alleyway, like a gallery through here, okay? Right, little hollow tubing goes through there. So you get your one hand through there on the wire. And if you put your finger through there, it's very hard to show you guys because I haven't got x-ray vision to look inside there. So you put your finger through there, you'll see a little hole there. And then put another finger in there and you'll feel the wire. And all you do is, see, as you can see just the top half of the plug. Pull the plug out. There we go. Right, and all you do now is just guide it through here. You see there? Boom, there we go, that's that out. Pull the rubber grommet out. And that's it, job done. I mean, not really hard. Or the only hardest bit is, you have to get it through this little gallery here. It goes through there, okay? Right there. And also, another top tip is, if you want, I mean, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can lift the window up all the way, so that way it gives you a bit more room in there. So all you do is fit that one back on there. Boom. Get that nut back on, onto the door mirror. Job's done. Right, the door mirror is on. I've got the nut back on. The wire is fed through. Like I mentioned to you guys, to feed the wire through, I'll show you guys again. Right. If I can just get my camera in there, it comes, it's so hard to show you guys, okay? But if you follow my finger, right there, like that, there's a little, I would say, a passage for it, just there. Okay, so you feed it through this way, and it comes out this way, okay? I hope, obviously I can't show you guys because it's very hard to show you. But that's, you get the picture, it goes through there. Basically there, it comes this way, and then down here. It's only a little passage through. So yeah, that's all you do. So I'll put that one back on again. Put that back on. Right, and we'll just try it before we fit everything on. Well, that's it guys, job done and dusted. I've even put the cover on from the old one. I mean, not hard to do that. Just flick it off, bang the other one on, and that's it. Well, that's it, guys. That's how we replaced the door mirror again, right, on a Ford Fiesta 2010. I mean, not hard to change at all. It's not hard to change. The only hardest bit is feeding the wire through. Okay. The thing is, like I tried to explain it to you guys. Just go towards the side of that panel on the inside. There is a little gallery there, little passage through for the wire to go through, and you'll get it through, no problem whatsoever. Anyway guys, I hope that clears it up. I've tried my best to show you guys. If it didn't help you guys out, peace and blessing, I'm sorry. Okay, if it does help you guys out, give me a like and thumbs up. Anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you.